Today I'm going to take you guys along with me to decorate my Easter 2022 bedroom, and hopefully that you guys get a lot of inspiration on how you guys could decorate in this video, and it'll definitely make my bedroom into the Easter festive feelings, and I'm super excited, so let's go get started. I'm going to start off by decorating my bed for Easter. This is a super cute neutral bunny pillow that I got from Ross at the price point of $11.99, and it is super cute and I loved it on my bed. Then I started to remove the stuff at the bottom and fold up this blanket that I already had on my bed and replace it with this super cute pink throw blanket that had this really pretty white pattern on it. It had some chevron and these cute bunnies that also had little pom-pom tails. So the price point for this blanket was actually $19.99, which is a little bit more for the blanket, but I absolutely loved it, so I couldn't resist. When adding this super pretty throw blanket onto my bed, I made sure that all of the bunnies were facing the right way, so that means I actually took the blanket this way on my bed and tucked the little tassels underneath the little flap of my duvet cover, and I feel like that just added a whole extra touch to my room because my whole room looks super Eastery with this beautiful blanket right here on my bed. This year at HomeGoods, I purchased this Happy Spring sign that was adorable. The price point was $6.99, and I thought it was perfect to replace this little blessed sign that I have here on my shelves, and I really like it because it was super neutral. I also got this little ceramic bunny for these shelves that was $3 at Target in the dollar spot, so I just moved over my plant and added the little ceramic bunny on my shelf, and I feel like it was super adorable. The second spot in my bedroom that I decorated for Easter was actually on the top of my dresser, so I just removed all my decor and my runner because at Ross I got for $9.99 this Hoppy Easter table runner, which was super cute on the top of my dresser. I feel like it was super adorable and I loved all the colors on it. So after I placed my runner down, I started adding all of my decor back. That means I went and I got my picture frame, and also my alarm clock was placed back onto the runner. I also had this super cute little bunny statue that was from Ross, I believe. It's super adorable though. It's pretty good size, and the price point on this was $14.99, and I loved it on top of my dresser. This is a cute little candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I added this mint chocolate chip milkshake candle from Bath & Body Works. My mom actually got this a while ago. I don't know if they still have it, but believe me, it smells exactly like a mint chocolate chip milkshake. This is probably my favorite candle I've ever gotten from them, and it just makes your room smell super good, but you can't burn it too long because it has a really strong scent. Next, I'm hanging up this Easter banner that I got from Ross last year. It was either $10 or $12. I can't really remember, but all I know is I have this banner and it is super adorable. My aunt actually also has this banner, and the reason I got it is because I was jealous on how cute it was in her house, so I definitely picked it up when I saw it. I thought it was adorable, and I put it under the sign above my bed, and I think it's super cute and added the right amount of Easter. I did go back and add a few extra touches to my bed, so this is a tray from Hobby Lobby that I got in their wood section, and then I added this cute little fake plant, which was actually $5 from Target, and then I just added my remotes onto my bed for easy access. My mom had these extra ceramic eggs from her decor, so I added them onto my shelf here by my desk, and then actually one of my first videos was making this sign, and I thought it was super adorable. Next, I just decided to move all my stuff from on top of my Alex drawers because I wanted to replace this little crate here with this stand that I got from Target. It was $5, and then I just placed all of my Bath & Body Works products back on top. Also from Target for $3 in the dollar section, I got this super cute pack of 3 felt carrots. I placed one here on top of this little stand with my Bath & Body Works stuff. I placed another one on my bed by my remotes and my fake plant. And then the last one, I removed the succulent and placed it over here on my dresser. And I feel like this added the perfect amount of color in my room for Easter. So the last very thing that I added in my room for Easter was actually this garland. I think it was from TJ Maxx. and it is super cute. So the price on this was actually $12.99. I decided to hang it in this empty space above my shelves, and I feel like it was super cute here, and I love the touch and color that it gave to my room in this area. I thought it was super adorable, and my room looked amazing. So here's a little tour of how it all turned out. I love everything about how my bedroom turned out this year, and I hope that this video gave you guys lots of inspiration and maybe ideas on where to pick up a few pieces of decor before it's all sold out. I love it so much, and make sure if you guys liked it too to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have some more DIYs coming out soon, so stay tuned. Bye everyone!